Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. So today we're going to be doing April 8th, Monday, to Sunday the 14th. Let's see. There you go. You can see it a little bit better. Of course, I always move this around here and there. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use just one book, and it's going to be this Happy Planner book by Me and My Big Ideas. This one's called Year to Shine. I've used it before, but I've never just made out of one book. So I was looking through here, and I liked this blue color, and I liked this green color. So I thought I would go and look for something that had the blues and the greens and use that. And some of this just works out perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and start doing our book. I think there's oh, here we go. Here's some nice washi here that we can use for the bottoms of our pages. And I will go ahead and grab those. So we've got the longer one here. I'm going to put that right at the bottom. And then I'm going to get this one over here. And we're just going to go through and pick and choose. And now I don't have any idea. I don't have this week planned out. Usually I like to have my week planned out, but I, for the most part, know, like Friday's piano day. Monday I get a lot of business done. So I have an appointment on Tuesday. Wednesday is church day, so things like that. So I'm just going to, again, go through here. There is another color I could have used. We've got today's goals. We'll definitely be using that one. I'll just go ahead and put that there. And I like to do my checklists always on Mondays. I like to do them wherever, but we're going to go ahead and put our plan, today's goals here. So it's everything I need to get done on Monday. And then we're going to keep going through here and see if there's anything else that I like. Progress, not perfection. We've got some more checklists. I'm sure I'll be using that. I'm just looking through here. Oh, this is... Ooh, here we go. I will use this here. Actually, I think I'll use it right here. Just like that. And we're going to look for some more in here. Reach for your dreams. That's in that same color. We'll see if we come back and use that. Oh, we've got some watercolors. Are those in the same colors? I didn't look. Perfect. Look at that. All right. We've got some dots here. Dream big, sparkle more, shine bright. That one will be a fun one to use. You glow, girl. Here's some more of those dots that are going to go well. This one says today. Got some more todays. Oh, here we go. We've got some errands that need to be ran. I'll go ahead and put some errands in here. There we go. This one is going to be definitely a planner book. Or week, I guess. Plan a Happy Life. This is a 2-pack one. that one right down here. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I'll leave it there. This one says get busy. This is that green and blue, but I don't think it's going to fit on what I am looking for in this whole thing. Oh, I wish I had one of these. Oh, hold on. There we go. That's exactly what I was looking for. I'm going to put that right over here. Make it perfect right there. Okay, this has a square cut out, and it would have been perfect if I would have lined it up there, but of course I didn't think prior, so I need to fix that by putting something in that corner. So I'm going to look, maybe there's a square kind of saying or box of some sort. Here's that one that says plan your dreams. Rise and shine, keep going, focus. I love these, and I'm definitely going to use them. But for right now, I'm on a mission. This might work. Nothing small. I'm not seeing anything small here. You know what's funny is I'll go through this and go through it and go through it multiple times because I don't remember. I think we're done here. This says important. Take note. That could go in there. I think I will put that in here. Oh, I was going to use this, but I'm going to actually see if this one fits in there. And it does. There we go. That's a good one. I'm still going to use this take note. And I think I may put that one just right in here, actually. There we go. The secret to having everything is believing you already do. I love that. I'm going to put that one right here. Let's see. I think we're good. Okay, I'm going to go back to those ones that I wanted. And then we'll start adding some fun in here. Here they are. This one. Dream big, sparkle more, and shine bright. We're going to put this one right here. Just like that. And then we have another one here. I think we'll go right here. It says, she's a dreamer. Okay, I'm going to continue looking, and I need some more. Here we go. This is what I need. Because like I said, this is going to be a day of notes. Lots of checklists. It's a checklist week because I have lots of things that have to be done. So we'll make that a checklist. And I think I'll make one more checklist here. But where? I'll make a checklist right here. I've got another one here that says focus. I don't know if I need that anywhere, but I'll come back to it if I do. So now I could go through here. It already says plan a happy life, so I don't need that one here. This focus could be a good one. I'm thinking this focus would be a really good one here. There we go. And we're going to flip through here some more. See if there's anything that I just cannot not have, right? There's still some here that we could use. In fact, I could use this one for a piano day. There's more focus. I already got that. I had a half box, and I know I wanted to put a half box. Okay. Oh, I love this. Do I have that? She's a dreamer already? I do. I don't want to keep continuing on with the same sayings. Progress, not perfection. That's a good one. And I'm looking to see where I might like that. I have this here. I have this one here. I'm thinking, do I want that there? Or maybe here? That could be a good one right there, actually. I don't have any notes. And again, it's a busy week, so I'm still going to need there we go. Okay, that looks like it's coming together. I'm going to look through here, see if there's anything else I want or need. And then I'm going to go through here. I'm going to put another to-do box. think I'll put it right here. No, I think I'll... Nope. I'm gonna put it right here. Like, where could this go? We'll put that one there. I think we could be about done. I'm going to throw in some of these little guys here. Just little bits of color. I don't know, maybe I don't need this color in there. Yeah, I don't know that I need too much color on here. Maybe if I do have some color, it might be more something like this. This could be fun. Just like that. This is really coming out very pretty. See if you can see it there. And I'm just going to look real quick. This will be my last flip through. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and grab, trying to grab it, hold on. There we go. Add some color there. And this is a different color blue, but I still like it. Where do I like it? Do I like it here? I feel like I do like it there. Oh, yeah, it's gonna stay right there. And then grow through what you go through. I am going to use that You Glow Girl. I think I am. I think that's going to be the final piece there. And I'm going to put it right here. Yep, I'm pretty happy with that. So there we go. This was all done from one book, 2 colors, and this is great. It's got lots of room, notes, all kinds of space to write. Here, got little spots there. Can fill that in with things to do as well. But let me know what you think. I love it, and I hope you do too. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I appreciate the support, and I look forward to sharing another plan with me next week. All right, have a great week. Bye.